She actually has a reverse curve in her neck and a bone spur that's forming at C5. That's a result of years of damage and arthritis. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up those disc spaces, restore that curve, get motion restored, and that's going to reverse the aging and keep it from getting worse and keep her spine young. So what we'll do is we're going to start with some firm pressure. We're just distracting those discs so that they're just being pumped full of fluid, getting those joints loosened up. We'll do about 3 or 4 of those firm pulls. Once everything is nice and stretched out, give a quick thrust. How's that feel?
Beautiful. Thank you.